You can make up to thousands of dollars every month if you know these ways of making online cash. The truth is that the spending power of your salary reduces every single year, even though you go home with the same paycheck. So, picture this. Let's say you stroll into a grocery store with $100 in your pocket. In most cities, this sounds like a good amount of money, right? But wait, a few years ago, that $100 could buy you groceries that are now worth $150. This is due to a thing called inflation. Inflation is a rise in pricing, which can result in a decrease in purchasing power. Right now, that rate has soared from 1.5% to 3.5%, meaning your $100 last year only stretches to cover $96.5 worth of goods this year. That's the reality of the economic shift we're experiencing. But here's the twist. Over the years, the price of technology has decreased as the value of technology has increased. This has opened the door for many people to make thousands of dollars a year with just their phone, computer, and some Wi-Fi. In this video, we're not just exploring ways to make money online in 2024, we're uncovering 7 pathways to financial freedom. If you implement one or more of the following things I'm about to show you effectively, you will unlock the ability to reduce the effects that inflation has on you, because your income can grow by much more than 3% per year. Stick with us to the end, because number 7 is a way to make money online that not many people are talking about. Welcome to Money Simplified. We make money make sense. Let's get started. Number 1. Freelancing. Ever dreamt of turning your digital skills into cold hard cash? Freelancing has a different level of freedom and flexibility, which challenges people when thinking about a traditional 9-to-5 job. For instance, think of a freelance writer who writes content for websites and blogs. Through AI-driven writing tools, they can quickly produce quality drafts and edit in minutes. Freelancing is a form of self-employment, where individuals work independently and provide their services on a contract or project basis. Instead of being employed by a company, freelancers can choose their clients, set their working hours, and work from anywhere with an internet connection. Freelancers are in various fields, including design, writing, programming, translation, project management, and many more. Do you know that you can earn a substantial amount of money just through freelancing? As a beginner, you can earn hundreds of dollars a week if you're good at the job. How would this work? Let's say you use a platform like Fiverr.com, and you decide you're going to offer a voice acting service. Many people on Fiverr charge anywhere from $10 to $100 per every 100 words. A one-page paper usually consists of 500 words. Now, let's keep in mind that Fiverr does take a 20% cut, so realistically, you can earn anywhere between $40 to $400 per page. The average 10-minute script is about 1,500 words. So, for an average script, you can be making anywhere from $120 to $1,200 on just one script. Now, imagine if you were hired to complete multiple scripts per week. You can see the potential, right? Overall, freelancing offers the opportunity for self-employment and flexibility, but it also comes with challenges that freelancers need to navigate. Freelancers can thrive in this independent work model with determination, self-motivation, and a marketable service. If you're interested in signing up for Fiverr, click the link in the description below. Number 2. Blogging with affiliate links. Curious about making money through words? Maybe starting a blog is your golden ticket. Whether you want to sell your own brand's products, earn commissions from affiliate programs, or host digital ads, blogging is a great small business concept that can bring in thousands of dollars per month. Blogging can be an extremely lucrative form of income if done correctly. Take Ryan Robinson, for example. He is one of the well-established bloggers who's earned more than $30,000 a month. Another example of someone who was able to change their life with blogging is Adam Enfroy. Just 2 years after Adam began blogging about how to start a blog in 2019 as a side hustle, he made $1.5 million. Bloggers can profit from more than just ad money every month. Many blogs listed for sale on marketplaces like Flipper fetch 6-figure prices. Bloggers make money when someone buys their creative effort. Not every blogger can earn millions from their websites, but it is realistic for a beginner to earn thousands of dollars monthly. Your blog's ability to generate revenue depends on how good your content is and how good of a marketer you are. If there is a high average purchase price for items in your niche, such as tech or cars, you'll be able to earn higher commissions when selling sponsored projects as ads on your blog. For instance, in the software industry, many sponsors pay recurring commissions. This means that even after the buyer has made the initial purchase from the ad, bloggers can still earn a modest amount every month. Number 3. YouTube channel. Lights, camera, action. If you've got a passion or expertise to share, starting a YouTube channel can be a great way to make extra money online. Many of you know YouTube as an excellent platform for entertainment and fun, but did you know you can make money from it too? Social media has grown over the years. Now, companies use social media influencers, people with large dedicated followers on different platforms, to advertise their products. This industry is known as influencer marketing. The influencer marketing industry reached $21.2 billion worldwide in 2023. It hit $16.4 billion in 2022 and is expected to increase in 2024, and you can get a piece of this pie. First, you need to start a YouTube channel. The next step after that is to create engaging content on your channel. With the right strategies and dedication, you can turn your passion for creating videos into a source of income. Let's talk numbers. The average income from a YouTube channel as of December 31st, 2023 is just over $5,000 a month. However, this amount can vary depending on various factors, such as the number of views, ad clicks, ad quality, and video length. One of the best ways to make money from a YouTube channel is through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, and by enabling monetization. You can earn money through ads on your videos, but you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past year, or 10 million valid public shorts views within the last 90 days to qualify for the program. Once approved, you can set up Google AdSense to monetize your channel and earn revenue from ad views. One thing you must know is that it will take many months before you can make money, so this would be a long-term strategy. But YouTube growth and success is like a snowball. Once you put in enough time and good quality videos, all it takes is for one video to blow up your channel. Speaking of blowing up YouTube channels, if this video has provided you with value, then go ahead and smash that button and subscribe to the channel for more money-related content. Number 4. Online gaming. Did you ever think playing games could pad your wallet? Well, it can. Gaming enthusiasts, this one's for you. Playing video games is a fun way to pass the time, and could even turn into a side hustle. The ways to make money through gaming are by making video game content or streaming, video game journalism, attending live professional gaming events, and live streaming gameplay. A gamer's potential earnings will be based on several factors: the platform, the length of time played, the genre, the quality, and the quantity of their gameplay. Gamers can earn anywhere from $20 to $200 per hour playing games online. Participating in events like gaming competitions that result in cash prizes and other incentives can boost the amount you earn even more. The prize pool for one single game tournament used to reach several $1,000s. Streaming games on Twitch also allows many gamers to make real money and is one of the most popular gaming platforms in the world. The list would be incomplete without mentioning esports. The popularity of esports has skyrocketed in the last decade. You can make huge sums of money in intense events such as Dota 2, CSGO, Fortnite, and many more by joining or creating a team. There are many full-time streamers and pro gamers that make tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars a month. So there's lots of money to be made in this space if you have the right skills. Number 5. Website and app testing. Have you ever clicked a button on your computer? I bet you don't even think anything of it when you do it at this point. But what if I told you that you can get paid and the main action you are taking is simply clicking the mouse? Earning money to click? Yeah, that's a thing. Discover the world of website and app testing, where your feedback can translate to some extra bucks. Let's talk about how your opinions can turn into a lucrative side hustle. You can make money by signing up to platforms such as User Testing or User Peak and testing websites and apps. Your valuable comments help companies enhance their user experience, and it's a win-win position. Whether you're passionate about technology or just like to check out new websites and apps, a side hustle with this app puts money in your pocket while having fun. So, why not test it and see how your beliefs can be translated into something profitable? Apart from testing websites and apps, there are other ways to convert your views into money. You can earn money or gift cards by sharing your thoughts on many subjects through online survey sites like SurveyJunkie, Swagbucks, and more. You can also be a product reviewer on platforms like Amazon or Yelp. When you analyze and provide detailed feedback about the item purchased or experience had, with so many opportunities out there, what's the reason not to check out how your opinions can work for you and these companies that need such valuable input? If you're experienced, you can earn more than $1,000 a month, but you'll need a day or two to get approved for all of these websites. Number 6. Selling items online or dropshipping. Have you got stuff lying around? Turn that clutter into cash. Learn the ropes of selling items online and explore the world of dropshipping. Spoiler alert, it's simpler than you think. Sales online have never been easier, with the convenience of platforms like eBay, Etsy, and Amazon. With dropshipping, where you do not even have to hold inventory, you can begin a money-spinning business without leaving your house. This method is a great way to raise extra cash. You can sell old and new products, such as shoes and electronics, for good money on sites like eBay and Etsy. If you have a talent for woodworking, embroidery, or jewelry making, then Etsy is the place for you. It's the best place to showcase your crafts. According to information on the company's website, Etsy grossed over $12 billion in sales, so there's a lot of business going on there. When selling products on Etsy, the amount of money you can make varies greatly depending on various factors, such as the type of products you sell, your marketing efforts, and the demand for your items. While some sellers have reported earning over $50,000 a year if you're really good, others may only make a couple of $1,000s. It's important to note that success on Etsy takes time and effort, and it may not happen overnight. You can earn close to $5,000 a month through dropshipping alone in 2024. Number 7. Virtual assistants. Let's move on to our final way of earning money online. Imagine working from the comfort of your home, organizing calendars for others, and getting paid for it. Intriguing, right? Being a virtual assistant allows you to offer your skills and services remotely to clients all over the world. From organizing calendars and arranging emails to managing social media profiles and doing bookkeeping, virtual advisory services are capable of handling a wide range of tasks that all require great organization skills. Being a virtual assistant gives you the freedom to select your clients and be potentially profitable and informative. Beyond the conveniences of working out of your own home, a virtual assistant can help make changes in others' lives as well. Moreover, the pay for virtual assistants is often quite impressive, especially among those who can focus on certain specializations or have a niche skill set. As the demand for virtual assistants continues to grow, this career path presents endless opportunities for growth and success. As a virtual assistant, monthly earnings can be significant. For instance, the average hourly pay for an entry-level virtual assistant in the United States is $24.4 an hour. The experienced ones make close to $35 an hour. If you decide to do this for 40 hours a week, that will be just over $6,000 a month. Now, you're asking, how do I find clients? You can find jobs as a virtual assistant on freelance jobs such as Fiverr. To get started on Fiverr, use the link in the description below. There you have it, 7 ways to make money online in 2024. Each door you open is a step closer to financial freedom. Which way to make money online are you the most interested in? Which avenue will you explore first? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you know anyone who'd be interested in making money online this year, be sure to send them this video.